Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to file and view payroll tax documents in Gusto. One of the biggest headaches for any business owner, taxes. The good news is Gusto handles most of it for you. From filing your federal, state, and local payroll taxes to generating the right documents, you barely have to lift a finger. So let me walk you through how to view, download, and understand your payroll tax documents in Gusto. Step 1, go to the Report tab. So from your Gusto dashboard, head over to the Reports section that's in the left-hand menu. And once you're there, scroll until you find Tax Documents. Now this is your go-to spot for anything tax related, from quarterly filings to annual summaries. Step 2, view filed tax forms. Now in the tax document section, you'll see a list of all payroll tax forms that Gusto has filed on your behalf. These include Form 941, state unemployment and income tax forms, local tax filings, Form 940, you have the W-2s and the 1099s. And each document includes the filing period, status, and a download link. Step 3, download and save documents. So click on any documents to open and download a PDF copy. You'll want to keep these for your records, even though Gusto stores them securely for you, but you still want to have it down, in another backup file. Now, pro tip, download everything quarterly or annually for offline backups, especially during tax seasons or for CPA reviews. Step 4, check filing deadlines and status. Gusto shows the status of each tax form, so you'll know whether it's already filed, scheduled to be filed, or requires action. Now, if anything is pending due to missing information, like probably a new state registration or employer ID, Gusto is going to notify you clearly and walk you through how to fix that. The fifth step is to set up notifications. Now you can adjust your account settings to get email alerts when tax forms are filed or ready to review. And that way nothing slips through the cracks during key filing deadlines. Step 6, end of the year form. So come year end, Gusto automatically prepares W-2 for employees and 1099s for contractors. Now you'll be able to preview, download, and send them out digitally or via mail, because Gusto handles mailing for a small fee if you want. And employees can also access their forms directly through their Gusto portal. And there you have it, payroll tax documents in Gusto simplified. No more drowning in paperwork or second guessing what's been filed. Gusto keeps everything compliant and organized, so you just have to focus on running your business. Next up, I'm going to show you how to onboard a new employee. Let's keep it rolling. If you like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Now see you guys in the next one.